Today we'll be giving an overview of how you can bulk accession reagent kit lots into Clarity. To do that, we navigate to the Configuration tab, and under Consumables, you'll notice that we have a new button here. Below it is this hyperlink that allows you to download a reagent kit lot accessioning manifest. So I can click that and it'll download a new template file. And that template file allows me to use a barcode scanner or manually type in as many kit lots of a given type as I want. So let's say that we want to do it for EML. We can see that we do not have any active lots in Clarity. Let's switch over now and we can take a look at the template file. Okay, so I've got the template file pulled up here. I've already saved it as a test file on my desktop and filled out some of the key information. So once I've got this filled out the way that I want, we can upload it. I just want to go through a couple of the key fields here. So obviously we have the kit type name, we have the lot name, lot number, expiry date, location information that we have. We're holding all of these for QC. We can assign a lot status. So here we have assigned pending, but you can also assign a archive or active status as well, depending on what the particular instance is for the kit lots that you're uploading. So let's hop back into Clarity and see what that process looks like now that we've got our template file all set up. Okay, now that we're back in our Clarity instance, we've selected DML, and we can go ahead and upload the reagent lots that we outlined in our kit lot manifest. So we click this button and select Choose File, and then we'll select our test file that we created and hit Upload. And then we'll hit Upload one more time. So now that I've uploaded those, you can see it shows 6 pending lots. And if I am ready to advance those to active status, I can do that individually here. And by toggling this button, I can change them to active or archived. I can add any additional notes and proceed with testing as planned. We appreciate you spending time with us today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to either your local sales or support representative. We'd be happy to answer any questions that you have. We hope to see you in the next video.